sorry for shaky views on this one, but the S3 has decided to do something to itself. So if I just start it, engine management lights on, car wipers on. So car was just misfiring all the way back, and this is what it looks like at the moment. This is what I'm doing at the moment. I'm just going to FAGCOM, and I haven't actually done this yet. So I just want to try and see what the faults are. I apologise. This is live. The issue that I've been having where it's been spluttering, so that's what I recorded like yesterday when I checked it on FAGCOM, and we've put it down to a faulty crank sensor. Vic is jacking up the car right now. Need to get underneath it, but it has done 1,500 miles now. So one of the reasons we don't make any more videos is because it is Britain, and like the weather's getting cold now and raining, and because we do work outside, it's kind of hard to do some things to it. So we've just finished building the patio as well, because it used to not look very nice, and now we've got a bit of space. We've just built these sleeper walls, sorted out the fences, made the garden look a bit cleaner, and then that's Mark 3 tucked away for winter now. Just got a little bit more space to create, but we finally got our driveway back. This is the new crank sensor, and then I thought I'd do the oil and oil filter at the same time. Vic, what are you doing? Vic is currently trying to take out the crank sensor. It's very difficult to get the angle. Oh, what? Okay. It's a wobbly job. I think you just take the filter off. This is a plier that my brother specifically got for his mop for animals to take them off. Don't you want to get a bucket? Should we drain the oil first too?
You can. That was happening last time.
Yeah.
What was it again? Remember we fixed it, something was leaking. I think it was the cam seals again. And then we changed it, and then it hasn't leaked. It's been relatively okay.
Yeah, it looks relatively clean. It needs a bit of a clean, but it still looks silver, which is good. So this is going to be the first ever oil coming out of the car, and we'll see what it looks like. It's going to be the first oil.
Okay, before I drop that out, I need a fresh carton. This has got shit in it.
So we're going to see what 1,500 miles looks like on my engine. I should have done the service before, but I just couldn't be bothered.
Put the wire in for the crank sensor.
Then you would have to jack it back up.
You need some screen wash?
Yeah, if you got some.
I just brought some from Costco.
Go on.
You want to try it out?
Shall I put the oil in?
What?
Vic's really cranky today. But I've managed to get him to help me out to do this. So this is going to be fresh oil, and then take the cap out.
You want a flake?
Let me put the oil. white to just where those edge lines are. See where that hashtag shit ends.
Yeah. I know, Vic. I know how to read a dipstick.
I'm just saying, man, like, taking the piss if you got it.
Clear the code, it should be okay.
Where's my phone when I go? Hey guys, thank you very much for watching. Obviously I know not a lot has happened in the video, like I literally just did a service on it, but it's done 2,000 miles now. It's finished breaking in and like I'm just driving it around, I'm just enjoying it. Obviously I know I need to get the map done, but money's tight, so I'm gonna save up and maybe try and do it for my birthday. So that would be really nice. It's only 2 months away, but all I gotta get is some bigger injectors and a fuel pump. But once I do get that, the S3 is ready for its map, and then hopefully we'll find out how much power she's running. But thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like and comment.